I-City Power igxeka ukubulawa kwegosa layo lokhuseleko lisemsebenzini kwisikhululo sombane esikwindawo yogobityholo baseShalazile eLenasia South ngomgqibelo. Eli qumrhu lithi unogada udutyulwe izihlandlo ezininzi ngelixa izama ukukhusela iziseko zombane ezibalulekileyo kummandla. Kanti i-City Power ithi esi siganeko sigxininisa ingozi iqumrhu elijongene nayo kuquka nabasebenzi bayo kwaye kungokunje likhuthaza amapolisa ukuba aqwalasele lo mba ngokukhawuleza.
City Power CEO Mr. Charles Sloan has condemned the senseless killing of a security officer who was based at Shalazile informal settlements. This is the settlement in the CBD of Joburg, where we basically erected micro solar grids to augment the deficit of electricity around that area. The fatal shooting occurred over the weekend. And during the time when security officer who's attached to a contractor, Tulasizo Gasa, was shot 3 times in the head, chest, and also stomach by unknown suspects. He was found lying on a footpath between the shacks where the micro solar grid is basically built. The motive is not yet known, but is believed to be an attempt to steal around the micro grid infrastructure, but also some of this of the security guards personnel belongings. This senseless and unnecessary loss of life comes at a time when City Power is basically going through some of the attacks from the communities where we operate, where we see increasingly our security officers, our technicians, our contractors as well attacked, hijacked, having their possessions taken by the very same community that we basically try to assist. This killing also highlights the extreme risks faced by most of our personnel who are safeguarding the electricity supply infrastructure, and also the heightened effort from the criminals, organized criminals, who are trying to basically harvest this electricity infrastructure more increasingly in the CBD of Joburg, but also across our network. The matter has been reported to the Cleveland police who attended the scene, and a criminal case of murder has been opened.
Ukani masukrobise kokulandelayo kwalapha kwindaba. Njengoko uMzantsi Afrika uphawula inyanga yokukhuselwa kwabantwana, isiseko iHouse of Tenwes sicela inkxaso-mali eyongezelelweyo kunye nenkxaso yeenkonzo zokhathalelo lwabantwana.